Hey, what's up you guys? So next thing I'm gonna do to the Miata is put some rack spacers and check out what they look like. So these are the rack spacers I got for the Miata. I think they're 5mm and hopefully gives me some more angle. So this is the current angle I got. We'll see how much more I get. Alright, so first I gotta remove this skid plate that previous owner put on here. So you can see the previous owner put self-tapping screws. It's just an aluminum plate, skid plate, and then now I have two random nuts that don't even know where they came from. So hopefully you can find out where they go to. Alright, so we have this side of the boot removed. We gotta just get this with some pliers, twist it off. Then we gotta remove this one. So I got this boot pushed far enough so I could get to the screw. Now you just gotta fold these tabs and then unscrew this. Alright, so I gotta pause this. Got a monster truck show to go to in Anaheim in a few hours. So I'll see if I could get some more work in tonight or most likely tomorrow. I'll show you what I got done so far. Got the tabs pushed back so I could get a wrench in there. I don't have anything big enough, so yeah, I'll probably purchase a huge crescent wrench later tonight or tomorrow. Hey, what's up you guys? So it's the next day. I'm gonna continue on putting the rack spacers. So I was messing with it a bit and I got the nut loose, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Hopefully it's not too loud. I got the washer and dryer going on right now, so hopefully it don't bug y'all. Alright, so this is the nut I'm talking about. I got it loose already. You see these flaps. I had to bend them more so I could get the crescent wrench in there more, and then I pushed it up like this. So got this loose. Now make sure you remove this lock ring, and then we're gonna put the rack spacer onto here, and then make sure you put some red Loctite. That's what it looks like with the rack spacer on there. And now it's just reversing the process. Put this boot back on, and then do the next side. Alright, so now we're moving on to the driver's side. Take the same process. Move this out the way. Remove the boot, and then put in the spacer. So I removed this side as well. Removing the lock washer, lock ring, whatever you want to call it. So same thing as the other side. Put your steering rack spacer there, and add some thread locker. Spacer seated nice and tight. Here's where it is. I just gotta slide the boot back on there to cover this. Now I'm adjusting the tie rod end. So that's on there tight, and now I gotta do the passenger side. Broke this one loose, the size 17. So you can see I got my rough estimate of 5 millimeters. Now you just get a 12. Put it right here, and you just spin it. Wrong way. And that's it. Now let's go check how much more steering we got. So that's fully locked to the left side and fully locked to the right side. I heard something rub, so I'm gonna go check real quick what it was hitting. Oh, nothing to worry about. Just a spare drift spare tie it was rubbing on. All good. So that's it, you guys. We got the steering rack spacers on. And let's check again what it looks like. So fully locked to the right. And I'm gonna go all the way to the left. And that should help us out a bit more while we learn how to drift. Alright, so I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Maybe just something quick, installing drift spares, see what kind of wheels I got. If you guys aren't following on Instagram, but if you are, then you guys know what kind of wheels I got. Big bang for your buck, got them for $100. Wheels and tires, just 2 pairs. I mean, just a pair of the wheels. Alright, peace.